Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I have an exciting release to share with you. It is a massive release and it's huge. It's for Pretty Pink Posh, and it's because they are celebrating their 8th birthday this year. So it is a pretty fabulous release, and normally I just don't create a video with releases, but I did want to share this one with you because I think it's pretty amazing. I fell in love with all the products in the birthday release, and I think birthdays are nice because, of course, it's the most popular card that we create. But this one's pretty fabulous, and I wanted to share it with you. I'm not going to make a card today. I will be making quite a few cards for the rest of the month using the release. So look forward to creating some cards for you using this. But let's jump in. First, I want to share with you, we have some 4 new flat back pearls. You can see how bright and vibrant these colors are. There is a little polishy, pearlescent, maybe iridescence almost to them. And these are all, again, flat backed pearls, and it looks like there are 3 different sizes in here. The pink is bubblegum, yellow is sunshine, the blue is blue sky, and then the purple is lilac. So nice colors for birthday parties, nice colors for spring, Easter. So those are new to the shop. There's also some new clay confetti, which are perfect for birthday shakers. This one is really neat. Looks like there's some sprinkles in there with some stars. And then this is called Rainbow Sprinkle Mix. The stars in there are white. And again, this is clay confetti. The same goes for this one. This is called Piñata Party Mix. Piñata Party Mix. And it has hearts, stars, and then circle confetti pieces. So 2 different colors too. You get some brights and then you get some warmer tones. But these are new to the shop too. Next, we have some new stencils and some new standalone dies and new stamp sets. I want to go over the stamp sets real quick with you because I think you're going to fall in love with them. Now, of all of them, I think this very first one I'm going to show you is can be birthday related. Now, there are some balloons that are in this February release that will go perfect. They're like the perfect size for these little critters, which are so cute. The stamp set is a 3x4 stamp set, and it's called Crafty Critters, but it's not yet released. No, it's this is like a little bonus. Details for that are right here. For those of you who spend $80 or more over at Pretty Pink Posh to celebrate their birthday release, you get the stamp set for free. If you spend $125, you get the stamp and die combo. And again, these aren't out yet, so this is like a little bonus. And also, there's a 10% coupon code if you look on that. Back up the video, get that coupon code, and you can save 10%. But isn't it just so cute? The critters in here are adorable. It's great for your crafty friends. And again, the images are like perfect sized for the balloons that I'm going to be showing you in just a minute. So I wanted to share that with you. Head on over to the Pretty Pink Posh shop for more details on that. So that's new. And then there is also the balloons, the balloon numbers stamp set. Great for customizing, great for birthday cards. Of course, there's a coordinating die set, and this is a 3x4 stamp set also. So these are pretty fun. Okay, are you ready? Because you know I love cupcakes. This one has my heart. This one is called Build a Cupcake, and I love it because you can mix and match and add any toppings, and then there's sentiments in here too that are so sweet. But you have different liners. You have a plain one, a little fluted one, and then you also have one that you can stamp with ink. It has polka dots on it. And then there's 5 different cupcake toppers. How fun is that? Frosting, I should say. And then there's also some elements for decorating. So I'm looking forward to creating with this. Of course, you know I love my cupcakes. And then this is a 4x6 stamp set. And then there is a coordinating die set. And actually, the birthday wishes down here is in the die set too. So you could die cut out your sentiment with that, along with all the cupcakes. I'm looking forward to mixing and matching with this. Next, we have a new birthday script stamp set. This is 4x6. And there's a lot of birthday sentiments in here with some block lettering where you can customize, mix and match. Sky's the limit with these, I always say. And there's a coordinating die set that I broke into already. Yours will look prettier if you choose to get it. But I've already been playing with it, but there is a coordinating die option, and that's that one. Next we have a border stamp. This is the birthday borders. There's presents, and there's a little smorgasbord of birthday items here. You have balloons and candles and cake. Then you also have party hats in there too, and then you have a strip of candles. And then there is a coordinating die set that I broke into that will cut out each of these borders. So that is a nice option, and it's for a 4x6 also. Another 4x6 stamp set that's new is, if you love the wreath stamps, this is a fantastic one. It's called Birthday Wreath, and it has that birthday element that you can die cut out in a wreath shape. And then there's also accent pieces down here like presents and cupcakes and cakes, candles and balloons that you can add for lots of different backgrounds or embellishing on your cards. And then there is a coordinating die set to go with that also. Now, you know, Pretty Pink Posh has circles, and usually every release they come out with a new circle stamp set. This is the birthday circles. And I have to say, this is so cute. One, I love the cake. Oh my gosh. There's a little lion. You have the party hats, the elephant, the presents. Then you also have the little koala that's holding a present. Now, there's always a die set that goes with the circles that you could use outside of the circle stamps. But this one is called the birthday circles. And of course you can stamp, layer on top, create a shaker card with this, but this is a tag. Isn't this so pretty? I love the scalloped edge on the top, and then also you get some vertical stripes that die cut out. This will cut out a hole in your tag. This you can actually cut out your birthday circles here, but sky is the limit, and it's perfect for birthdays because you know you need tags on your birthday cards, right? So this is new. Last but not least, there's another large 6x8 stamp set. This is filled with the full alphabet, and then there's also some basic balloons and hearts, stars, and a regular shaped balloon. But you stamp these. This is called the balloon alphabet, and you can customize your cards. Sky is the limit, birthday names, yay, hooray, celebrate, happy birthday. You could just create a balloon-filled sentiment card. I think that's pretty fabulous. And then, of course, there is a coordinating die option to cut out those balloons. So that's the last stamp set in this month's birthday release. But there's more. And I'm excited to share with you some brand new stencils. Now, all of these stencils, we have 3 of them. They're all layering stencils. This one, let's take a look at it. And it has cupcakes, which I love. This is called the layered cupcake. And this one, they are indexed on the bottom. So this is layer A, this is layer B, and then this is layer C. So you have the base, the frostings, and the decorations. How cool is that? So this is the 3-piece layered stencil, layered cupcake stencil. And then we get to take a look at the layered presents. Let me take a look real fast. This is the 3-piece, and these are labeled A, B, and C too, down here in the corner, A, B, and C. A, you have the ribbons, I should say. B, you have the presents, and this would be great, you know, as an abstract too. You don't have to create presents with it. You can create a colorful background just with that. Same with this. This would be great for 4th of July. Let me show you in the background, because there's stars and stripes. So it's nice that you can use them outside the birthday theme too. But this is your layer C. So you would have the background, you would have the ribbon, and then you would have the decorative stripes and stars and polka dots. So this is your layered presents stencil set. And then you get the candles. This is called the layered candles. It's a 3-piece set, and basically the same goes. You get the candle wicks. You also get the decorative edges, and then you also get the candles that are kind of a little bit wonky, which is really nice. So that's your 3-piece layered candles. Now, last but not least, we have some brand new standalone dies. We have the Birthday Wishes script die, and it's on the larger side, but it says Birthday Wishes in a real pretty font. That's brand new. I should have die cut these out to show you, but it's really pretty. Then you also get the Celebrate script. It's on the thinner side. It's not thick or chunky, and it's just the scripty Celebrate, which is really nice. So that's new. And then you get the party cake. Now you this frame die cuts out, and then the little scallop edge die cuts out, and then all the little pieces of the cake. Actually, there's not too many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the candles. So there's 7 pieces to the cake. Well, 6 in the candles, but you could use pattern paper. You could use colored cardstock. Sky's the limit with this. That is the party cake. And this you can cut out of the window to create a shaker if you wanted to. But that's the party cake standalone die. And then last but not least, there's Build-A-Gift. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. This is great for Christmas too, guys. So you get the bows. You get 2 pieces for the bow, because this one will die cut out the layers for the bow, and then you can layer it on top. Same goes with the small bow here. You have the base, and then you have this piece that will die cut out all the layers. Then you have the ribbons for the packaging. You have polka dots, solid background panel. You could use them layered together or on their own. This one has etched detail, which is stitched detail. And then this one is just a plain background panel, great for pattern papers. So that's new to the shop. Do you agree? This is a pretty fantastic release. And I just had to share it with you. I'll be back pretty soon sharing some projects using some of the items in the brand new release. I'll list everything down below if you guys want to check it out. I'll list Pretty Pink Posh's shop down below if you guys want to head over there and check it out on your own too. But there's all month long, there's going to be some amazing inspiration celebrating Pretty Pink Posh, Posh's 8th birthday. Can you believe she's going to be 8 years old? My goodness. Pretty fabulous company, and it's pretty fabulous release. So I thought I would share. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you soon with some projects.